Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Taylor. Today we're going to be doing my skincare routine. I don't know why I want to see this crusty busted skincare routine, but this is what y'all want, so I'm going to do it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first I'm going to show you every single product. Exfoliator by Murad. This is the exact one. It's hydration. I was dermatologist approved and recommended, so that's what I've been doing to help when it comes to me being dry and just to get a really deep cleanse in my skin, you know. Alright, so one of my cleansers that I use is from, I don't know how to pronounce it. Put it on my skin because it's dry. Okay, first I'm going to exfoliate with the exfoliator. My hair's getting in my hair. Okay. And then I do this for a while. It feels really good. And I'm gonna rinse it. I'm gonna wipe it off. I usually don't use a towel to wipe this off of my skin, but this is what I'm doing for now. We're gonna go into my cleanser. I'm like doing two things right now. I'm recording a video and then I'm also on live, so if you see me like looking back and forth, that's why. Wet my face again. And I cleanse my skin. Ew. This really helps with the hydration part of my skin. The exfoliant, I know it says hydration, but it doesn't really. And this has orange fruit juice and PHA. I don't know if PHA does, but all I know is that it gets my skin right. Okay, cool. That's cool. I wish I could play music, but Instagram always wants to take down my music. Then it takes down my video and I can't save my video. After cleansing, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my face. Alright, now that I have rinsed my face, I'm gonna wipe the excess with the towel again. I should get a dry towel, but I'm not. Okay, so that's what we do when it comes to cleansing my skin. And next I'm going to show my actual skincare products that I use. When it comes to doing mask, I use Rosen skincare line. And this is their charcoal face mask, and it does wonders when you're having a bad breakout. So I use this. After I cleanse my face, I go ahead and grab some, what are these? Cotton pads. And my toner from the same brand, Rosen Skincare. Their Tropic Toner. Very nice. I like it a lot. Okay, so I'm going to take this off. I do at least 3 dabs on the cotton pad. And I tone my face. Toner is not for removing makeup. Let me brush my hair again. Okay. Toner is not for removing makeup. It's supposed to help with your pH balance in your skin. So, if you think that just because you use a toner, you see makeup coming off is a good thing. I mean, it's good that you're getting all your makeup off, but tone again, you know, maybe just 2 times maybe. But this toner is supposed to help with like texture, is what it said on their website, and I do see a difference. because it's not as textured, especially on my forehead. It's still textured there, but for the most part, it's good. The next two steps are random. It just depends on what I'm feeling like doing that day. So I either take the Drunk Elephant Intensive Hydration Serum, and this one right here. Focus. No, don't focus on me. Like, do that. You know what YouTubers do? Let me try to do this. Can you see it? Anyways, this is what I use, and I put this serum on. 2 pumps of that, and I put it all over. Next one that I do sometimes, but not all the time, is I take this Clinique ID Dramatically Different Hydrating Clearing Gel. That's supposed to help with texture as well. I use this right here. This right here. It's supposed to help with texture as well. And it's supposed to help hydrate as well. I did the custom one. I forgot what the inside tube is that I put in. But they work great. Always dry product down to your neck. Your neck needs loving too. Just remember that. Put some on your neck sometimes. Or all the time. Right? And last but not least, I put on moisturizer. This is just my basic skincare routine. This is not me going full out self-care day, okay? This is just basic. I take about this much. Oh, sorry. It's the Belief True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I know a lot of people promote this nowadays. And honestly, it's good. But they have a different one than this one. I don't know. I take about this much. It's kind of a lot, but it goes down to my neck too. So I use it generously. Put it on both my hands and I go around. Oh, I forgot my eye cream. But I don't use my eye cream every day, so it doesn't matter. This is basically my skincare routine, you guys. This is basically what I do every single day. When I don't need to exfoliate, I just use my cleanser, the one that I showed you. When I do need to exfoliate, I use exfoliation. On the back, it recommends do it twice or 3 times a week. And sometimes I do 4, just because this goes fast. It's in a tiny tube, but it costs so much money. So much, I hate it. I actually have 4 more things to show. Okay. So, when my skin is like, hold on, focus on me. Focus on me. Okay. When my skin is like extremely dry and I need to pick me up, I use this Invigorating Night Transformation Gel by the same brand. This brand right here that I cannot pronounce for anything. It's like Ole Henriksen. Was it that hard? Ole Henriksen. There we go. That's what I'm calling it. I'm pretty sure it's pronounced somewhere else, but Ole Henriksen Truth Juice Daily Cleanser is my cleanser, and Ole Henriksen Invigorating Night Transformation Gel is an emergency. My eye cream, I use Farmacy. Their Do It All Total Eye Cream with Echinacea Green Envy. Interesting, never noticed that. But this is it. I use this right here. Farmacy. Do It All. It's really good. I'm gonna use it today because I haven't used it in a minute. And I usually just put my middle finger, well, my ring finger in per eye, and I put it all under, and then I do it all around. It feels so good. This is probably the most relaxing thing I could do for myself. And then I do another dab. See, like it's barely anything. It's barely anything. I go under my eyes. When it comes to having some bad breakouts or something, I use Origin's Super Spot Remover with acne treatment gel, you know, celiac, obviously I can't speak English, but you know, that acid. Oh man, my hair keeps poofing up. I use this. Can you see it? There we go. Look, it's focusing. But that's what I use when I have like super bad bumps that need to go away in a few days. And last but not least, I use another pharmacy product called Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. This is just because on TikTok I saw a dermatologist say that you need antioxidants to help you keep clear skin, and so I bought it. I found something with antioxidants and it said it was good for your skin, just like collagen, and I was like, interesting. What if this has collagen in it? I'm pretty sure it's on the box that I threw away. I'm not sure. But thanks you guys, that was my skincare routine. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you would like another video of me doing anything that is skincare related or fashion related or hair care related or anything, just anything, I'm open to every idea. I have videos coming soon. I have a video right now that I need to edit. And this one too. But yeah, thanks for being on this journey with me while I do my skincare. I'll see you guys later. Bye.